might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I...
Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living.
And I'm Marie.
And for today's Thursday throwback video, we're going to be doing Marie's creamy lemon bars. And she made this video about 1 year and 4 months ago. And it's a lot different. You'll see that most of the work is all done over there on the counter. That was before I built her workstation for her. And so hope you enjoyed this video. Marie, do you remember those creamy lemon bars, how good they were?
I do, they were great.
They were really delicious. So
very easy too, and budget friendly.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind you making some more of those. They're so good.
I know it. I need to, don't I?
Okay. Well, Marie just got finished making her pumpkin pie lush dessert.
And boy, was that good.
And so you'll be seeing that video on Friday. But for right now, let's go ahead and get started with creamy lemon bars. And this is our Throwback Thursday video for this week.
Hi, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making lemon bars. And this recipe will be in the description below. And it's an easy recipe, and we've had it before, and we have really liked it, and we hope y'all will like it also. So here are the ingredients. A cup and a half of graham cracker crust. It's a 1/4 of a cup of sugar. And it's a 1/2 stick of butter. And when you put your graham cracker crumbs in your dish, I'm using an 8x8 dish. And when you put your cracker crumbs in there, you want to put them about 1/2 inch up the side of your dish. And I think that's just about stirred up. Sorry about all the noise banging with the fork. Okay. And you cook these bars. These bars are going to be cooking for about 8 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And I did butter this dish before I started. And also, this is parchment paper, and you want to give it about 2 inches on the sides here. So I'll push this up about 2 inches here. Okay. I think that's good. Okay, I have my graham cracker crust in my pan, and I'm going to be baking this for about 8 to 12 minutes in a 350-degree oven. And when it gets through, I'll be back. Okay, my graham cracker crust has just finished baking, and I let it bake for 8 minutes, and it takes about 30 minutes for it to cool. And while it's cooling, I'm going to be making my filling. Okay, I'm going to be making my lemon bar filling, and it takes a can of Eagle brand milk. And it says in the recipe to let this set up for about an hour, but I'm going to let mine set up until we eat our dinner tonight. Sorry about the racket. Now I'm going to put 2 eggs yolks in it. Beat them up. Okay, I think I got that beat up good, mixed up. So I'm going to be adding a half a cup of lemon juice. Okay, my crust is cooled off now, so I'm going to be putting in my lemon bar filling. It's been cooling for 30 minutes, so I'm just going to pour this in, and this is going to bake for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. Oops. This cooks at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and when it's done, I'll bring you back. Okay, our lemon bars have just came out of the oven, so I'm going to let them cool a little while before I put them in the refrigerator, and I'm going to let them stay in the refrigerator 1 to 2 hours or longer, and I'm going to serve these up tonight when we have dinner. And Kevin's going to be doing a good recipe. I think everybody will like it. Okay, my lemon bars are ready to be cut now. So I'm going to set them over here. And when I get them cut, I'll be back. My lemon bars are cut and ready to be served. Can't wait to eat this with our meal tonight. My lemon bars are ready, we cut up, and so we're ready to eat them too. So I think these are going to be good, and they're not too big, so they shouldn't be too fattening, should they? So love what you do and do what you love, and have a great day. Bye.
Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I know watching it over again, it made me want them that much more. They were really delicious, Marie.
And let me give y'all a good little hint. If you want them to look really lemony, put you a little food coloring in it, and that does the trick.
That does help make the color look more lemony, doesn't it?
It does.
Okay, well, everyone, thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.
And y'all do what you love and love what you do, And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
And the match that drew a spark was a single stolen kiss. And if that ain't love, I don't know what is. For years I've kept my feelings grounded and gone without all kept within.